Writing progress notes, also known as daily notes or SOAP notes, is a big part of private practice. Since it's something that you do so often, there is a dramatic time savings when you simplify your progress note workflow. You can also use the SimplePractice mobile app to add progress notes when you're on the go or away from your computer. In this video, we'll review the tools you can use to optimize your progress notes in SimplePractice. All progress notes are related to a past appointment. On the calendar, appointments in the past have a small note icon, which you can click to open the appointment page. Or, when you click on an appointment, the appointment flyout also has a quick link to add note. You can also go to the client overview page and scroll down to the list of prior appointments, then click Add Progress Note. All three methods open the appointment page, where you have all the relevant information and tools to write your note. At the top, there's a drop-down menu where you can change the type of progress note template you're using. If you want to add templates from our free template library or build your own, click the link for more information. If you've previously saved a note for this client, click Load Last Note to fill the note fields with the most recent note content. You can update the content and save the new note. If you need to reference the diagnosis and treatment plan in the upper right, click the button and a window will appear with content. You can even click the copy button to copy the content and paste it into your progress note. Remember to click Save on your note after making any changes. To the side of the note are helpful tabs with appointment information and billing information. You can also click the previous appointment to view that note. Depending on your specialty, below the progress note, you may also find a section to add a psychotherapy note. Back at the top, you can click to upload a file or attachment to the note, as well as print or download a PDF version of the note. Many customers have discovered that the SimplePractice mobile app is their preferred tool for adding progress notes. The app has the same calendar and appointment information, and by tapping on an appointment, then Add Progress Note, you can add your notes whenever it's convenient. This page has the same Load Previous Note button and access to note templates. Also, back on the appointment page, you can tap Attachments to take a photo of written notes and upload it securely to be attached to the appointment. There are hundreds of free note templates in the template library, or you can build your own using the template editor. You can further customize your notes to match your exact workflow or focus area. Continue to the next video to learn more.